Right, so this is interesting. Adverts have now started to appear, I've noticed, on my videos, despite my turning off adverts on my channel. So this is something that was indicated to me actually by a kind subscriber. Winston, this way, this way. He did mention that even if you turn off advertising, YouTube, as of November last year, had changed their terms, or at least reminded people of their terms, that they can chuck an advert in any video they fancy. And they have now started to filter into mine. Now, I've only noticed banner adverts so far. I don't know whether there's any others that have popped in. So what do I do now? This is my question to you guys, because obviously I did a video on this last year stating, well, I'm turning off the adverts. You can buy me a coffee instead via buymeacoffee.com. But now I'm thinking, what do I do now? Do I take control of this, turn the advertising back on, but tell YouTube which videos I want the adverts to appear on? Because certainly the last thing I want, and this did happen last year, which prompted me to turn off the adverts, the last thing I want is for adverts to appear in any of the breathwork videos that I've been doing. So is it a case of sucking it up, sticking the adverts back on and taking control? I'm not too sure. Anyway, short video, a mere pondering. If you do have any ideas or tips, please do let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Bye-bye.